So in this RBC Mobile app tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to sign up for a low interest credit card on the RBC Mobile application. So once you open up RBC, I want you to go to the bottom right and press on More, then scroll down to where it says Products and then press on Open an Account. Once you're here, I want you to press on Credit Cards. And once you're on the credit cards page right here, if you're looking for a card that specifically offers low interest, so maybe you're someone that could potentially be paying interest on a credit card in the future and you want to avoid paying high interest, simply go to the top here to where it says popular, slide this bar to where it says low interest, and then press on that. Once you're here, it'll show you a bunch of different cards that are being offered that offer low interest rate options. So there's the RBC Visa Classic Low Rate Option Card. There's the RBC Rate Advantage Visa Card. So for example, if you wanted to view the card details right here, you can press on View Card. You can check the annual fee, the interest rate on the purchase rate, the cash advance rate, etc. You can also check out the card highlights and go from there. Or you can also go down to this card right here, the RBC Rate Advantage Visa card, press on View Card right here. It'll show you the purchase rate, the cash advance rate, as well as the annual fee and what the card kind of offers. So if you want to apply for these cards, you can go ahead and press on View Card, press on Apply Now, and then go through the steps that way. So that's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to sign up for a low interest credit card on the RBC Mobile application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.